sounds fake, but it isn't. Australia went to war with birds and lost. 1932. Thousands of emus invade farmland. Farmers panic, so the military steps in with machine guns. Yeah, machine guns versus birds. First attack, soldiers open fire. The emus scatter. They split up, run in zigzags. Like they're trained. Thousands of bullets fired. Almost zero kills. Thousands. Guns jam. Trucks can't keep up. The emus, they just keep coming. Weeks later, the army retreats. Officially defeated by birds. 1932. History's most embarrassing war.